How to film on iPhone without running out of memory. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. On this screen, go to the bottom panel and tap on the video section. Then, go to the top left corner and tap on the button as shown. In the resolution section, select HD. Then, select 30 for the frame rate. After that, go back and tap on the record button to start recording a video. Once you're done recording, tap on the record button again to stop recording. Now, go to the bottom left corner and tap on Media. You can now view the video you just recorded over here. Following these steps, you can easily film on iPhone without running out of memory. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.